From SAD Yard to Cozy Oasis, a fire pit makeover start to finish. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Viana Home Channel. All right, let's be honest. We all have that spot in our yard. You know the one. It's that weird, empty corner. Maybe it's just a patch of dead grass or a pile of junk. For me, it was this useless patch of dirt behind the garage. It was an eyesore. It was wasted space. I looked at that sad little corner for 2 years, and I finally said, no more. I knew this spot had potential. It was the perfect sheltered location for the one thing that can totally transform a backyard, a fire pit. But I wasn't just gonna throw a metal ring on the ground. I wanted an oasis. I wanted a full-on, start-to-finish makeover. And today, I'm taking you through the entire process, from sad, dead grass to a cozy, awesome getaway. So here's the before. As you can see, it's ugly. Just dirt, some weeds, and a view of my neighbor's fence. The plan? To create a 12-foot circular patio with pea gravel, build a beautiful rustic stone fire pit right in the center, and then style it with comfortable seating and magic hour lighting. First things first, and I can't stress this enough, the base. This is the part everyone wants to skip, and it's the most important part. You can't just build on dirt. So I started by marking out the circle, then the hard part, digging. We dug out about 4 inches of that nasty dirt and soil. We had to make sure the entire area was perfectly level. This part was not fun, but it's the foundation for everything. Once it was level, we laid down a heavy-duty weed barrier. Do not skip this step or you'll be pulling weeds out of your patio for the rest of your life. After that, we poured in a layer of paver sand, and then came the good stuff, the pea gravel. We needed about a ton of it, which sounds like a lot, but it's super affordable. We raked it all out, and just like that, we had a professional-looking patio. Now for the main event, the fire pit. I went with a DIY kit. These are awesome. It's basically adult Legos. The stones are all pre-cut and wedge-shaped, so you literally just stack them in a circle. I used a heavy-duty construction adhesive between each layer just to make sure it was rock solid. In less than an hour, we had a gorgeous, permanent-looking stone fire pit. The build was done, but the design was just getting started. This is the fun part. We brought in 4 new Adirondack chairs. They're a classic for a reason. They're super comfortable. Then the magic. We hung bistro-style string lights overhead, creating a ceiling for our new outdoor room. We added a few potted plants to soften the edges and a small side table for drinks and s'mores. And here it is, the after. I mean, come on! This sad, forgotten corner is now my favorite room in the entire house. It's cozy, it's inviting, and it looks like $1 million. All it took was 1 weekend, a little bit of sweat, and a solid plan. So, what do you guys think? Do you have a sad spot in your yard that needs a makeover? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you love transformations like this and want more home design ideas, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button for the Viana Home Channel. We've got so much more coming. Thanks for watching.